Hello everyone, welcome to Lucidchart. So what exactly is this tool? It's a tool for creating AI-powered diagrams, mind maps and such. It's exclusively for diagrams, okay? It lets us create cutting-edge diagrams using AI, data and automation in Lucidchart. It understands and optimizes all systems and processes. We have process maps, flowcharts, planning and organization tools here. It's also useful for technical diagrams, systems, and creating workflows. Here they give us a glimpse of everything we could potentially do with this tool. It has state-of-the-art diagramming capabilities, and honestly, it's a tool that's really caught my attention. Pricing-wise, it's free to start. €0 gets you 3 editable Lucidchart docs, 60 shapes per doc, and 100 templates. For €9, you get the individual plan, unlimited docs and objects, premium visuals, 1 GB storage, plus import export. Pretty good deal, right? Team pricing is €10 per user. So that's the gist of it. I assume these €9 are monthly. Not sure where it states that, but likely monthly. To get started, just head to Lucidchart pages and click sign up. Then you can begin using the free version. And here we are inside the platform. How can we create our first mind map with Lucidchart? Be it a mind map, flowchart, concept map, org chart, or others, okay? Obviously we can select it, right? It'll automatically redirect us to create the type of map we want to make. Got it? See, it's already created it for us there. What's the deal? It's not that exciting on its own. The fun part is using the different sections, you know? Like agile, processes, brainstorming, systems, or we can just click new, okay? Create a blank document instead of using a template, right? Maybe the template works well for us, huh? It doesn't have to be. We don't have to be so rigid, you know? We can also just create a blank document, alright? And we'll have a blank diagram. We've got the tool now, okay? Well, here's the welcome screen about who we are, and that's it. And here, as you can see, they're asking, so if using AI, what would you like to try first? Well, let's make a flowchart, shall we? So what type of diagram do we want? We want a diagram. I said, I want a diagram of the processes to create a website. I click generate. It couldn't generate anything. Well, I'm not sure if it's because I'm on the free plan, but theoretically, it should have generated it for me, you know? Here in the quick actions section, as you can see, we have the generate diagram option, right? Now, I've said, draw me a workflow diagram for creating a website. Let's see if it does it, okay? Well, it's made a basic workflow, not great, but we can use this button to generate an AI diagram. Here we can make the diagram with code, alright? Here we have the integration section where we can add various plugins and tools to enhance our work with Lucid, right? It's not necessary, but it's nice that they've included it for us. We have the quick tools section where we can, for example, let's say select a section and hit summarize, for instance, okay? In this case, it wouldn't be, it's not really needed since there's hardly any data, right? But we can also organize ideas, alright? What ideas do we want to organize? Well, we basically take this and link it here, and here we'd put the ideas we want to sort in, customize, okay? And if not, we can go back to the normal view, right? We can use pre-made templates, okay? For flowcharts, you click use template, tell it where to put it, and there you go, alright? You've got it added now. We can also just add the shapes manually ourselves, okay? As you can see, there are different types of shapes. If we select them, we can edit them, okay? Let's see. There it is. Select a shape and you can change its type, color, and preview changes. Features not all tools have. We can italicize text, remove it, see? Double click to edit text inside. That's what this tool allows us to do, okay? To create different spaces, just drag, select a shape, and build your diagram, alright? We can also create formats, add images, data, and more. So that's basically how you use this tool. Alright, after using Lucidchart and seeing how the tool works, let's check out the reviews section, okay? I see it has a 4.5 star rating here, right? For instance, but when I go to Trustpilot for Lucidchart, I'm not sure if it's the... Yeah, must be the page. Let's visit the website and see. Yep, it takes me there. It has a 1.7 rating, okay? 90 reviews, and the 5-star one says they did a great job refunding my money. So they say, ignore my first review, but why not just delete it? Incredible. Well, disgusting company that steals. It's a virus. I don't really get this. Free use is very limited. Well, that's fair. Bad company. The free version is useless. I'm shocked they charged me up to $100 for the annual plan. As a fee, when my plan is monthly. Subscription policies, huh? Scammers. Clearly, I'm seeing a lot of people complaining about being charged annually, right? I complain about Lucidchart. Terrible business practices, eh? They scammed me out of $108. Yeah, people are paying for the monthly plan, but in Lucidchart, when you go to pricing, I know what they mean, you know? In Lucidchart, you go to pricing, and of course, they don't make it very clear, okay? You go to pricing, and they tell you, well, no, they do make it clear here, but they say €9 per month. But of course, you don't know if you're paying annually or if you're paying, No, they don't show you. I'll also say when you click to buy, it doesn't show the full €132 there. I mean, I don't know, either people can't read or... Sure. And here you just select individual payment, monthly payment, and that's it, right? That's what I understand that. Look, we'll charge you €11 a month plus applicable taxes, okay? I think people are just moving too quickly. They tried to charge me for the annual plan. Maybe it was an issue they had before, but not anymore, right? Total scam. They blocked my credit card and everything. This company charged me $59.80 for a team plan when I chose the individual plan. Wow, there are too many similar reviews for it to be user error, Plus, out of 90 reviews, barely any are 5 stars, if any at all. Well, it doesn't look good at all. I wouldn't try it, wouldn't test it, don't recommend it. That's my take. You can ignore a few bad reviews, but if they're all bad and 1 star, I wouldn't ignore that. And not just that, but they don't even respond, okay? I mean, the tool itself doesn't seem bad, right? But with no support and these issues, I'm sorry, but I can't recommend it. So keep this in mind, folks.